Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Custom. This is the one with the really cool custom wheels, skinny front tire, big fat rear, 900 cc's of V-twin power, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This thing has an awesome sounding Vance & Hines pipe. Wait till you hear that. Like that two-tone matte black and gray finish. Only 5,700 miles on this gorgeous belt drive 900cc cruiser. Come by, check it out. Price to sell just $59.99. Check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Yeah, baby. Sounds good. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.